Hello guys, today I'll unbox a Skullcandy Bluetooth headset, the Ocean. I purchased this through Shopee Philippines. Check the link below for the Shopee store that I purchased this replacement headset of Uproar Skullcandy. Foam in the inside. Okay, I'll try to replace the broken foam on my Uproar headset. It's easy, you just pull it like that. It's easy as well. And then the other side. And then you just follow the line at the edge of that headset and put the end of that foam. You just follow the edge gap. I think it cannot be fit, so I almost finished it. Now the second one, it's maybe less than a minute because I know already the techniques how to insert that replacement headset. Just pull back and hold. Put it in the edge of the headset. Okay, that's it. Hope you like my video about putting replacement foam on the Uproar Skullcandy. Please don't forget to like my video or and subscribe. Thanks. And this is Daddy GP and Teresi TV. Bye.